Hello friends, so today we will learn how to allow policy rule ACL in FortiGate Firewall. So this is a next policy, that is schedule and time based policy. So we will learn today how to allow that schedule and time based policy in this lecture. So before that we need to know why we use that one. So time based policy is that like it will allow that traffic for that specific time which we will be configuring under that policy. So it is used when like we want or our company want to allow that specific user for a specific time. Suppose this user our company wants to allow the internet traffic for weekend only. So for Saturday Sunday we can allow that traffic. Other rest like weekdays would not able to access the internet because it will be the time based policy. Only in the weekend it will allow. So that we will have a look on that, and we will try to configure and we'll try to access the internet. We'll see that time period. Okay, so to configure that time base and scheduled policy, we will go in the network. Here in the dashboard, here we can see the status of our device. Now we will go in policy. So here first we have for configuring anyone, we have to configure a like schedule. We have to create a object group, that schedule object group. So here like if you'll see each time we are giving the always means it will allow all day, 7 day, and every time. So it is by default it is there. We can configure it like here. So we will create a schedule, and here we will give the like if we want to here you can see like multiple thing will be there, like it you if we want to reoccur that each like Saturday Sunday, then we have to click on reoccurring. So each Saturday and Sunday that policy will be enabled for that specific time what we will be giving from 9 to 6. So it will work for that time period only, like 9 a.m. to here we will give the 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So 9 to 5 it will work Saturday Sunday. Rest of the day it will be disabled. So that's called the time base one. So like if we will here give that Saturday and Sunday for user 40 is the subnet. Okay, so this way we can create the scheduled policy. So we will create that one, and once it is created you have to call that one under that policy. So we will go here. So here we have disabled this policy which we use for this user, so that we will enable it, and under that we will check. So in this policy if you will see like here it is showing in schedule always, which I show you. So here we have to select our policy. So this when we will select this one, here it will show like Saturday Sunday it will allow for 9 to 6 p.m. Okay, so we have to click select that under schedule, and then we have to enable that one, and we have to click on OK. So our policy is ready for Saturday to Sunday. If suppose today is Sunday, but yeah. So if you we will go here in the in this one. So today is Saturday morning for that US time. So this our firewall working in US time, Canada. So that policy will be working. If we will log in there and we'll try to access that one, so it will be working. So here you can see it is working. Okay, if we will try to ping as well, so ping is happening because it is running based on the schedule. So it like it is coming under that one, that's why it is happening. And we are able to do the google.com as well. Okay, So like we have allowed that traffic for that specific time, Saturday Sunday. So today is Sunday morning in US. Our clock is running on that US base, so it is allowing that traffic. Okay. So let's configure another service that schedule, and we'll try to check whether like how it is working here first. Based on that, we will schedule that one. So here 11:26 is there. We will create for 28. We will create for 11:28. We will go here, policy. Here under that we will go in schedule. Here we will create a new schedule. Here we will put Sunday. We will put that user 11 to internet. Okay, so this is our dot 11 user that we are allowing. So Sunday we will allow for that one. So the time was 11:26. So we will allow for 20 from 27. 27, we will allow for 27 am. Okay, to here we will give that time 11 28. Okay, 28 28 and am. Okay, so 1 minute, for 1 minute we will allow here. Okay, our that schedule is created now. We will go here and we will click on here. So before that one we will check here. So if you will see here that google.com is not opening. Okay, it is opening because we have that policy enabled. First we will disable this policy. Okay, so we will try to access again. So here if you will see, it is giving the error now. If we will put here ping, so if you will see, ping is not happening now. Okay, so now we will go on that policy. We will select the that schedule, another one which we created, this one, and then we will enable this policy and we will click on OK. So now our policy is created for that specific time. So 128 is there already. Okay, I think our policy expired. Let's reschedule it. Okay, okay, 29 30. Okay, we will go here, then schedule, and then we will click on this one, and here we will take that time as a 11:31 to 11:32. Okay, so we are taking another time because that time got expired to test this one. So you can see it is now as of now unreachable. And when like time will come, so here in the policy we have allowed that time for 30, sorry, here time we have allowed for 31 to 32. Okay, and its time is as of now 29. So we will check that one. Okay, so 31 to 32 we have allowed. Now we will check. So here you can see as of now it is not accessible. Cisco.com not happening, and the ping is also not happening. So now our the time is started for this policy. Now we will be seeing here ping will start. So you can see it is pinging now, and it will like work for 1 minute, and after that it will like you'll see it is also working here. Okay, so it will work for 1 minute. If we will see that ping, it will work for 1 minute. After that it will start dropping that packet. So like once like it will go to 30, the packet will start dropping again, so like internet access will be revoked. So yeah, so if you will see like it is dropping now packet, and we would not able to you can see now drop start, and we would not able to access the internet also. Okay, so it is time based ACL, based on the time it will work. So how we will be configuring based on that it will work. So for this we have just configure for Sunday, so it were 11:30 to 11:32, so it activated for 1 minute. After that like it will not work here. Okay, so in the policy, if we will click here, so if we will go under this in schedule, here we can see that same policy which was under here schedule. Okay, if we will click here, so here you can see one time we need to create or reoccurring or schedule group. If we have like group, we have created 2 3 schedule and we want to group that one, that we can also do. So like suppose if we will go here in schedule. Okay, so we want both this one and this one to be activated for this user. So like if this time is any different time or this one is any different time, we want to include both. So for that one, suppose let me create that one. Suppose it is for not Sunday, it is for Saturday only, and it is for Sunday just 1 minute. Okay, so we need to if we want both one, so we can just create a group and we can allow that one. So here we will put user hyphen 40 group. So we need to call that. So we will call this one and this one. So we will group both in one, so it will become that this one. And now if we will go in the policy, so here under that policy we have to first click here. We have to select this one. So user 30, it will like activated for both day. Like here it is like schedule for 2 days, like one for Saturday and one for that Sunday for 11:31 to 11:32. So we have to just click on OK. So here you can use either a schedule or schedule group, both you can use. So like we use both one, and if we will try to ping here, so it will not work because that time is not there. Okay, so you can see it is not there. When time will come, it will like activated. So based on that, like we can configure the policies. And that completed our task this one. And thank you for watching.